As we said in the last video, all humans have mostly the same genetic makeup. And as such, we have the same genetic requirements for health. Just like with the plant, we know that sunlight and water are required for that plant to express healthy functioning. We too have environmental requirements that we cannot do without. When you are not getting enough of your genetic requirements, you become deficient. And likewise, when you are exposed to poisons, your body becomes toxic. When you are living with deficiency and toxicity, then your bodily functions change to an abnormal, adaptive physiological state. This is what we want to avoid because abnormal physiology is the beginning of all chronic disease processes. The longer you remain in toxicity and deficiency, then the worse your function and your health become. However, and this is the best news you're going to get all day, your body is programmed to replace abnormal functioning with normative functioning if deficiencies and toxicities are removed from the environment. And that's the basis of the wellness lifestyle, is to replace deficiency with sufficiency and toxicity with purity. Do that, and your body has no choice but to express perfect, healthy functioning. Do it long enough and consistently enough, and you can reverse any disease of chronic illness and prevent a lot of the worst parts of aging and the disease processes that come with it. So, what are these genetic requirements for health? I break them down into the 5 areas that are the most basic parts of your life in which you have requirements, and therefore they're going to become the pillars of health in our program. They are: number 1, movement. Number 2, nutrition and hydration. Number 3, rest and play. Number 4, positive thoughts and feelings. And number 5, limited environmental toxins. Now, I do want to talk briefly about toxicity, because these are the parts of your life that you're living currently that you're going to need to eliminate or get rid of. And they are just as important as the new health habits that you start. It doesn't matter how much good stuff you're doing now, how much sufficiency you're creating. If you're drinking gasoline every day, you're never going to be well. Modern life is programmed to keep us sick. You have to be prepared to walk away from a large part of that to keep a state of purity. And still, that purity will always be under attack. We'll talk more about this in a later video devoted all to toxicity. But for now, I just want you to start thinking about your own lifestyle and what specific toxicities and deficiencies you think you might need to address. We'll go into depth on each of the 5 pillars of health in later videos, but before that, I need to give you a cheat code to supercharge your results. So for that, I'll see you in the next video.